Assalamu alaikum friends, how is everybody doing today? Today I'm going to be making some gluten-free chocolate chip pancakes. They're really good. See, yummy. So anybody can eat this, even the gluten-free people who's allergic to gluten. Like my son is allergic to gluten, so he can eat this easily. And it's very good for the breakfast for the suhoor, if anybody's fasting, or maybe it's good breakfast, brunch. Okay, let's go see all the ingredients what we need to make this gluten-free pancakes. Okay, to make gluten-free pancakes, I have 1 cup of gluten-free flour. This is a gluten-free flour, gluten-free baking flour. I have 1 cup of that, and I have 1 cup of almond flour. It's right here, 1 cup of almond flour, 1 cup of gluten-free flour, and some milk. I don't know how much milk is going to take it. I have 1 cup of milk over here, 1 egg, and some chocolate chips. And for the topping, I have some whipping cream, and also I have some fruits and some baking powder. Okay, let's go see how to mix this pancake mix. Then we'll make the big pancakes. Okay, first we're gonna put the egg in there and beat up lightly. Okay, 1 egg. We'll slightly beat up this egg. Mix it. Okay, now we are going to mix this almond flour and the white flour, gluten-free. Give it a little bit of baking powder, half a teaspoon. Now we're going to put a little bit of milk. I have 1 cup of milk. I don't know how much it's going to take once I'm done mixing it. I never really measure it. I always just put it like that. So today I'm trying to measure it to see how much. Some more milk. A little bit more milk. Just a little bit more. This is fine, but a little bit more. Not too much. That's enough. It took 3/4 cup of milk. We used it 3/4 cup of milk for the 1 cup of almond flour, 1 cup of white flour. See, we are not supposed to be mixing like a very liquidy. This is the consistency we needed. Okay, now we are going to put some chocolate chips in there. It's optional. If you don't want it, you don't have to put it. Okay, let's go make it, because we're not going to be keeping it for too long, and we're not going to make mixing it more. That's all we're going to mix it. Okay, let's go ahead and start making them. Okay, we're going to cook these pancakes in the butter, but I'm just going to add a little bit of 1 spoon of oil so butter don't burn. Then we're going to add some butter. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So put 1 spoon. Make it a little fatter, do not make it very thin, otherwise they're not going to be fluffy. Okay, I thought I can put 3 of them, but not, only 2. I'm a little bit lazy to get the griddle out, so I'm doing in the pan. Butter go everywhere. This is actually really good for the kids who's fasting month of Ramadan, because there's a lot of nutrition in there: almond flour, milk, eggs, and butter. So they get a lot of calories and the... Okay, we're gonna turn this one around. This one. See? Oh, nice. Yummy. Okay, a lot of kids don't like to eat food sometimes, you know, they're kind of fussy and early in the mornings. So you can make them like a waffles in different shapes or maybe different animal characters. Like I have one, I'm going to show it to you. Maybe we can go ahead and make one waffle and show it to you how it's going to look. Okay friends, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. And if you like my videos, please click like. And what do you think about my videos? Let me know. I would really like to get feedback. I really was waiting for your comments. And also, I wanted to know which country you are watching me from. Please let me know. Okay? Did you get all these ingredients in your country or not? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay. Done. Okay, I'm going to turn the stove off. You're done. Let's go ahead and make a waffle. Okay friends, for the kids also you can make like a fun way, some characteristic. You get the waffle makers. This is like a Star Wars, Mandalorian. So also you get Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, whatever you want, you know. So we're going to put some butter in there. Oops, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A little bit butter. So with the same batter, you can make waffles, chocolate chip waffles for them. Very small. This is a little bitty one. I have the different kind. I'm making one of this today. Okay, and you put some butter over here in the top. A little bit butter. Okay, we're gonna close this and wait for that to cook. Okay friends, our yummy waffle is ready over here. This has a character over here, and this is the plain waffle the other side. So you can put it this one for the kids like this, and the pancakes are ready. So now we are going to put some toppings on it. So I have some fruits over here, some berries. You can put anything, any kind of topping. I have some strawberries, blueberries, bananas. That's all I'm putting it in there. If you don't have it, do not put it. Put some strawberries, some blueberries, you can put some in the side so kids can have some more fruits. For the fussy kids, and kids are very fussy about the food, so sure, make them a little bit attractive food like this, colorful and healthy. They're gonna like it. It's good for them and it's good for us too. Okay. And this one, okay. Then we have some Vermont. This is very original from Vermont maple syrup. You can even use this, or maybe just the plain pancake syrup. We get it from the stores. And also I'm using local honey, so I'm gonna use honey because at my house we eat honey. So I'm gonna add some honey. Okay. Okay. And the final touch, this is the real whipping cream. So I'm putting this in the little bit in the middle. You can make a designs for them. Put a little bit around it like this. Gonna be more pretty, you know. Okay. Voila. Yummy, 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 yummy. Okay, now we're gonna do it same thing with the waffle. Put some bananas and some blueberries and some strawberries and make it in the sides a little bit more. Put it around the plate. Put it around the plate. Here you go. Hey, you can make it like a American flag, red, blue and white. Maybe we should have done that. Maybe next time. So, okay, this is, I'm gonna put it right here in the middle for a little bit. Yummy, looks so yummy. Okay, okay friends, if you like my videos, please subscribe and share with your friends and family. And please don't forget to press that bell icon. If you press that bell icon, you will get the notification whenever I upload the videos. These are the gluten-free, very healthy breakfast for the kids or brunch or any times. Okay, okay, see you next video. Bye, have a good week.